of working with our data. So here's what we're going to do. Up at the very top of our app component, even before we begin returning JSX, so right above this return line, at the very beginning of the body of our function, let's say const, and I want to start keeping track of the score. So I'm going to make up variable names related to the user score. Let's say square brackets. Don't worry, I will explain this confusing looking syntax in just a moment. But inside the square brackets, let's say score, comma, set score. I just made these names up. And then let's say equals uppercase react dot use state. And that's a method, so parentheses to call it. And in these parentheses, let's give it an initial value of 0. Okay, now I don't expect this line of code to make any sense, so let me explain what's going on here. Before we even get to the React specific ideas, let's just cover this JavaScript syntax here. So this is just our way of setting up multiple variables at once. So on a new line, you don't need to type this line in. I'm just going to give you an example, but it's like saying const square brackets first, second equals an array, and imagine the first value was red,